writing you letters, tearing your picture, saying goodbye, and I'm blowing out candles.
Hi, I'm Candy Cane, and I'm Firecracker. Today we're going to Cupcake's food shop to have some lunch. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm Cupcake, as you know, and what would you like to order today? Maybe some soup, some meat, some mangoes, and that's all, I guess. Okay, coming right up. Here is your soup. Smells pretty good. Here are your meats. And here's your mango. Thank you. Wait, I need to give you your soup bowls. And some sauce. Okay, have a nice meal. Okay, what do you want? How about we each get a mango? Each get 3 pieces of meat. And then, there you go. It's all sorted out now. Okay, let's eat. The meat is so good. Yum, 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 yum. Let me try. Oh, it is. Let's try the mango now. Wow. That one's really sweet. I don't think we need to put sauce on it. That's buffalo sauce. Why would you put spicy stuff on too sweet? That probably is weird. Finished? Okay, so let me take your order. And then you can pay, and then guys can go. Okay, how much is it? Your total is $15.60. Okay, I will be paying. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Oh wait, do you want to go grab a piece of candy on your way out? Sure. Here's the candy bowl. So there is a bag of these candy or these candy. What do you want? I maybe go with the mint candy because, ooh yeah, then I get tropical candy. Yummy. Okay, bye. And also subscribe. It's free.